5:47 a.m. Saturday, 6 no 7 September. What is that sound, man? What bird is that? Hey bird, are you crying? Oh, I think I know what that bird is. It's a kingfisher. I mean, I've heard this bird. It usually goes like, yeah, and that's how it usually goes. It like laughs. Like it goes like, you know. So if you're not used to it, you might think like it's some crazy lady laughing. But no, it's actually a small little blue and white kingfisher. Haven't heard this bird in a long time. It's a bluebird. Well, it is written in a deep purple song. If the bluebird plays the eagle, I don't know. It's just in a song. But why is it quiet now? Still there? Wow. There's a strong, cold breeze. Wow, very fresh air, man. I guess the bird is just enjoying the breeze that it probably haven't had in a long time. Yeah. Well, I don't know what that means. But yeah, it's like it's kind of a. You gotta stay with me, man. You gotta like kind of like live in this room. Watch me do on shit on my computer. To sending out information to the world out there and like seeing things outside my window. Like kind of like what I send out there from my Windows 11 or Windows 7. Yeah, I'm sending good information, so good vibrations, so good tunes. So I share some of my experiences. I guess I get the right people, or people get my messages and they can decipher between the good and the bad, and sometimes I do make funny incidents, which I remember in my life, and this little bird just come outside the window and just go like it's like it's just laughing outside. So if I were to do like a comic of myself, I would picture like probably God was listening, man, or some angel out there. Not God. God would be like, the high authority. The angels would probably make sense. I wouldn't say angel, maybe just some spirit, some good spirits or some good angel out there. It's kind of like listening, and man, and it goes like, man, you're one funny guy, man. And it goes like, I mean, I've heard it like a lot of times before, man, and it usually happens when I'm live on air, playing tunes, creating a scenario with the songs and everything. It's not easy, man. You gotta choose the right song with the right title, with the right band, band name, the right title to create the whole articulation of what people are gonna see and all that, So yeah, that's what I used to do, and it would rain.